Hi, my name is Natalie Ledwell. I'm the co-founder of MyMovies.com and the best-selling author of Never in Your Wildest Dreams. And today I'm going to talk about how to make a vision board to manifest your New Year's resolution. Now, visualization is one of the most powerful techniques that you can apply in your life to manifest your desires and to reach all of your goals. Now, this is the reason why so many people swear by vision boards, or dream boards as they're sometimes called, and why you should too. So creating a vision board is a remarkably effective way to gain clarity on what you really want and focus your intentions on achieving those particular desires. So especially if you're struggling at following through on your goals and dreams. If you've had many goals and dreams but you're not sure where to start or how to even take action on them. If you want to get out of your comfort zone, maybe you're surrounded by people who are constantly bringing you down. Maybe you need clarity of what you really want in life, or you want to align yourself with the positive energy of the universe. But did you know that making a vision board really goes way deeper than simply creating a collage of your favorite things? So here's how it does that in 8 different steps. So the first step is when you make your vision board, what's happening is that you're actually setting an intention. You're really getting clear about what it is that you want. And when you put it in a concrete kind of a thing like a vision board, what you're doing is it's not just the deciding what it is that you want, but when you're actually the action of putting it together, you are setting an intention of saying to yourself, saying to your friends, saying to the universe or to God that this is what I want to create. This is what my intention is that I want to have created in my life. And the vision board is really just the first part of doing that. The second thing is you get to define what areas of life that you want improvement in. Now, your vision board doesn't have to be one theme, although it can be. You can have one vision board that's just for wealth, one vision board that's just for love, one that's just for health. So you get to decide what you want to do, but you also get to define the areas of life that you really want to improve on. So maybe you're in a marriage and that you want to improve the love that you feel with your partner. Maybe you have a certain level of health, but you want to take it to the next level. Or maybe that you earn a great amount of money and you're really happy with that, but there's things that you want to do with your money that's going to really bring you joy. So these are the kind of things that you can expand on in your vision board. The number 3 is that you don't get distracted by just all the beautiful pictures. So when you're creating your vision board, don't just go, oh, that looks lovely, and just put a house in there or a picture of a house, but it's not actually the house that you want. Often you'll see on vision boards, these big, beautiful homes, but have you really thought about what it would be like to live in that house, that particular house? So when you're creating your vision board, go a little deeper and go, well, what's the type of bathroom I'd like? What's the kind of decor I want? What's going to make this house feel like a home to me and my family? And then kind of expand and look for pictures like that rather than just what looks aesthetically stunning. Because your vision board is so powerful that you can actually manifest exactly what's on your board. Now you saw that, if you saw The Secret or read the book The Secret, you know the story of John Assaraf. When he put a picture of a beautiful home on his vision board, he realized several years later he moved into the exact house that was in that picture. So don't just go for aesthetics, make sure it's something that you really want to be able to manifest. So what you want to do is number 4 is find pictures that represent how you want to feel versus what you actually want. So for example, like I was saying before with a house, what makes it a home? Maybe you add in photos of your family in a place that reminds you of what it feels like to be at home. Because remember, when you're visualizing and you're seeing yourself in this future, it's not just what you see in your mind, but it's what you feel and how it makes you feel to be able to already be living that future. And a vision board is a perfect way to do that, and the pictures that you choose can really help to invoke that emotion. And number 5 is to add affirmations that describe how you want to feel. Okay, so affirmations are using obviously statements in present tense. The reason we use present tense is because we need to describe as if this future you're all describing is already happening now, so that when you do your visualization, you see yourself already there. But try and use as many emotional or emotive words as you can. Like I am outrageously successful. I have a stunning partner. I have, fantastic health. So as many descriptive words or emotional words that you can add to your affirmations, it's really going to help to invoke that elevated emotion, or that higher emotion when you're actually doing your visualization. And number 6 is that you want to keep your vision board in a different place, each vision board in a different place. So you may keep your career or business one near your computer or near your workstation. You may keep the one for health and fitness in next to the bathroom, so that, where you are in the bedroom, so that when you wake up in the morning, and you want to be motivating yourself to get up and exercise, that you'll actually see the vision board there and go, oh, that's what I want to do. And it invokes that emotion of already being fit, and it gives you the motivation to get out of bed. So try and think of different places to be able to put your vision boards that are going to really help to invoke that emotion. And number 7 is, yes, you want to make sure you'll be able to see it. It wants to be, in a place that it's easily visioned. But don't just look at your vision board. The purpose of your vision board is not just to help you see yourself already in that reality, but to motivate you to take action. Okay, so the more that you do that visualization and you see yourself taking the actions, then go out and take the actions. I mean, your vision board in itself is going to really program your reticular activating system, so that when you're out and about, and you're taking action towards your goal, that the things that are already in your peripheral, that are already in your environment, you'll be able to notice more, because your reticular activating system is programmed for it. So make sure that you're taking action, because for things to happen for you, you need to be in the right place at the right time. That's not going to happen if you're doing even the best visualizations sitting on your couch at home. And number 8, and I love this one, number 8 is dream big. See, this is what I know for sure. If you don't put the big scary goal or the big scary dream on your vision board, you are never going to reach it. Now, it may take you some time, it may take some effort, but if you don't see it or perceive it or dream it, it will never happen for you. And then you just stay in a safe life with safe things that you know that you can do, and not have that ability to really create something beautiful and outrageous for you and your family. Okay, so that's the purpose of a vision board and how you want to put that all together. So my name is Natalie Ledwell, and I hope that you have really enjoyed this video about the power of vision boards. Now, don't forget, make sure you put a comment below so that you can tell me how you put your vision boards together and how you create them for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to the My Movies YouTube channel for more videos on personal growth and the law of attraction. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.